Hello YouTubers. I'm filming this by hand because as you can see in the previous video I had the motor running but while installing it on the brackets and the bottom of the motor, this little side bracket broke again. I mean, there is barely any ground to JB weld this, so I tried and it just doesn't work. It keeps breaking off. I had the motor running. I put the motor on this bracket. The bracket was there with the two copper screws on the frame. And the moment I tightened it a bit very carefully and I put pressure on, the wheels moved a bit and the bracket broke. So unfortunately I cannot keep it in original shape. I don't think I can find a motor like this. I don't think I want a motor like this. This is just too thin. This is too fragile. So I'll keep it with the locomotive. And in the meanwhile, I mounted a CD-ROM motor. It's an, I couldn't find a 12 volt, so it's a 9 volt, it doesn't matter. And this should fit over the housing, as you can see. There we go. Yeah, there's a big screw nail here. Let me get it out there. So this should fit over the housing, like that. And easy accessible. Yeah, well, it is what it is. I can't do nothing about it. And oh, it has to go back a bit, I guess. Oh, I hope that fits. I'm not sure now how that... Huh. Well, I hope that's going to fit. It doesn't look like it, actually. No.